Hey yo boys, it's Spiel here. Today I got a money making method which should averages out about 45-60 mil an hour. So let's just start here basically. All you need to do is just go to the banana stall, pick up the banana, go to the merchant, and sell. And voila, you just made 1.5k. Now I'm just fucking around guys. So with this money making method, all you need just like some gear. I'd prefer void range with some rune knives and that's it. Go to teleports, mini games, and head to fight caves. From here now, you just need some food, maybe some prey pots if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I'd rather keep some high alks with me if you get some drops, maybe alk them. But I usually just alk what I buy. So basically here, guys, we're just gonna be doing this. We're just gonna be killing these motherfuckers down. And I'm sorry for my voice. I'm kind of sick, so maybe next time. Just kill these Tsar Midge. Or any kind of desire you guys like. This money making method works for all levels, all gears, everything. Yeah. So let's just get this kill here, get done with it. I don't need the 60. Yes. Okay, so Tsar Medges, yeah, Tsar Medges always drop 210 Tokol, which is like very good, I can say. Yeah, really good. Like 3 kills would get you 3. So after you get some farm a lot of Tokol, let's say you farm like 5k, 10k, 6k, as many as you want, just head to here and you just buy the uncut diamonds. Once you buy both the uncut diamonds, you could either alk them or sell them to the general store. And voila! And we got 117k in like 15 seconds. Yeah, so this money making is very easy. If you guys like to do it, just do it. Or if you're really high geared, like with a rapier, bandos, overloads, everything. Like you're full geared, you can just go in, kill Jad, and get like 1.5k, 1.8k tokens, and you can just go in here and buy 10. So Jad kill would average about 1.2 mil cash. Yeah. So this made a video like. Yeah, as I said at the beginning, it's only short, fast, easy money making. It averages about like 45, 60 mil an hour if you do it really good. But I prefer in this method just because I can't afford it. I'd rather buy DH, get my LGP low, go pray melee, and smack those motherfuckers down because they're only 100 HP, so 2 hits they should be down. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's Spiel from SimplicityPs, and peace out. Like if you guys want another video, and I'm gonna be working on some progress videos if you guys want to. Just comment and tell me what you guys want. Peace out, boys.